If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIB video update today. And yesterday I did talk about sad SHIB, and I think it's not like super sad. I think there's a correction. That's what I'm trying to say. So I've seen Bitcoin trying to make an XABCD pattern of a bat pattern, and for SHIB right now, I'm just going to quickly give you this comment that you do have this little bit of a head and shoulder, mini head and shoulder on the 1 hour time frame, and it seems like I'm just going to tell you one support right there, second support right here. This was in the formation of a neckline, went to the downside, came up here, got rejected right there. So yeah, it's very clear to me that SHIB is looking for a move down from there to there, and you can see that SHIB is interested to go from this price level to that price level, and you could be looking for 1281, and that's going to be this one support right here that you've probably broken out of and you never back tested it, and I don't know if the support actually looks something like this. So yeah, you do have a little bit of an influence right over here. So first touch right there, second touch right here, went up, head distribution, head and shoulder, come down, break down, move down, and this is still a healthy correction. I think this is going to happen because Bitcoin is actually looking to target $21,880 in the meantime, and from there, this even if Bitcoin goes to 21,880, it's going to be bullish, still bullish, because it's going to make a bullish pattern called as the bat pattern. So do watch the channel right now to know what a bat pattern really is. It's a 10 minutes video, but I think it's really important for you to watch that video right now. So do that very quickly, and that's pretty much it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.